Hello, it's Nigby. Yesterday I watched a couple of videos on YouTube. One was by Lockpicking Paul, where he picked a matlock padlock and compared it to an American padlock. The other one was by Eric Slens. It was his entry into the Lady Locks prize draw, and he picked one of these, which is a Federal. Let's just zoom on that, Federal 90A. Now I think that Federal make the matlock that Lockpicking Paul picked, so I thought, well, it's serendipity as a combination of the two. One of the things I like to do on the UK Locksport forum is, if I've got a padlock that's the same as somebody, I do like to do a lockpick snap and pick the same padlock or lock, whatever it is. So yeah, I thought I'd pick this one for you and just show you this because it's another good alternative for people in the UK to an American lock. It's not the same. And I did comment on Paul's video that every lockpicker should have an American lock. They're so iconic, but they are hard to get. These you can just get, I think I got this off eBay. Awful lot easier, and yeah, they're a very viable alternative to it. Just give you a look in that keyway. The main thing that I like about this, well, the key is this, how it's reversed with this great big bow on it. So when it goes in, it's yeah, it's just really pleasing. So yeah, let's see how we go on with picking this on camera. Put a bit of focus on there. Okay, these, the sort of big difference I find in picking these compared to an American lock is that they actually prefer a bit heavier tension to the American locks. Whether it's down to the spring in there or what, I don't know. Okay, so binding pins. Okay, I know that these are, I've never gutted this, so this will be interesting for me as well to have a look, but I suspect there's some serrated key pins in there, similar to the matlock that Paul did. Okay, there we go. So we've dropped into the full set that these locks are so good for teaching about. So we're now into spools. It's a question of just going through, finding the pin that gives us counter rotation, which is that one there. Okay, lost the full set, but got it back. Okay, and a little bit deeper. So right down at the back, I think that's okay. Again, just go through the stack. Okay, and now we've got it open. Take that out and bring the tools in. Okay, exactly the same. These come apart with a screw down the shackle. Oh, it's on the end of my magnetic screwdriver that I didn't know was magnetic. And same thing again, you've got a nut on one side and then this plate that comes out, and then the core just drops out. Okay, quick look down there. Not going to disassemble the rest of this. There we've got that core. On these ones, the overhang is the front, and we've got a tiny little circlip on the back there. As I say, never I suppose it might have helped if I'd locked the core up. And we'll slip a shim in there just in case. Just go from that unlock position, we should be fine. Okay. Obviously didn't get that shim far enough through there, but I think we've rescued it. So that is the top pin from number 1. And we'll just jump out these key pins. Yeah. One's a serrated driver. So is 2. Sorry, serrated key pin. Tiny little key pin in 3. Another serrated key pin. Another serrated key pin. And another serrated key pin. Shim out. Two. And that looks like a barrel to me in 2. Spool in 3. Spool in 4. 5. And 6. Now, quick look down that core. If you can notice there in number 2, that looks a definite different colour to me. So I am going to just dump all these springs out now, because I'm fairly confident. Yeah, that one different colour spring is a stronger spring that goes in 2, and then the rest of those . Okay, so all the key pins are serrated apart from 3, and that's just because it's too small. And we've got, I think that's a steel anti-drill bit, and we can test that with my, maybe not, I don't know why that would be a different colour, or maybe my magnetic screwdriver just isn't strong enough. So yeah, that's interesting. I never knew that I'd got that barrel pin in there. It definitely, I've always assumed the couple of clicks that I get are from the serrated pin, but it's maybe that barrel pin just tipping onto the edge and then just needing the extra nudge. So there's the bit in to go against those pins. There you go. Lockpick SNAP. Thanks for watching.